Today's seminar is on the emerging markets of Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe. Let me say a few things about the emerging markets before we ask our dean to introduce two speakers from Texas A&M and TechSpray. Emerging markets. In the last 5 years, these countries are booming in terms of their stock exchanges, in terms of consumers, overall economic development. But since 1994, some of the markets are submerging. And the reason is because Mexico's peso crisis. So some of these markets went down, but overall in international business, most of these markets in the long term will stand a pretty good chance. So some of these markets we are now calling they are re-emerging. So first they were emerging, then they were submerging, and now they are re-emerging. So basically we have two speakers, Dr. Julian Gasper from Texas A&M College Station and Mr. Jimmy Weichel. They will talk about these emerging markets. These two experts have traveled to those countries and they have done pretty good work. TechSpray is from our area, Amarillo, and it's a $20 million company. And Dr. Gasper is Director, Center for International Business Studies. But at this time, I would like Dr. Jerry Miller to introduce our speakers. Before we conclude, let me make a few comments. These emerging markets are now re-emerging. They will stay. All these massive amount of billions of dollars of investment, Dr. Gasper talked about 500 billion, you will see in the next 10 years. But before we conclude, Dr. Gasper brought some literature on Texas A&M's PhD program in international business and management. If you are interested, it's over there. And we also have in our university, West Texas A&M, we have international business concentration program, and I have some literature on it. Overall, the analysis we had, some excellent comments were made, wonderful discussion. It's a very timely area. And one thing which I would like to say, and that is the globalization of finance, the globalization of technology, the globalization of human resources. And that's what's happening all over the world. It's a good sign for this region and for this country and other countries. Overall, I think it came out to be an excellent seminar. On behalf of West Texas A&M, I would like to thank our speakers for their excellent time. And one more thing, Dr. Gasper, he especially came from College Station. I asked him when I was going to bring him to Canyon, I asked him what time he woke up. He said he started at 5:30. So he came today for us. Let's give a good hand. Give a very happy. Dr. Miller, do you have any comments before we conclude? Well, thank you very much. And goodbye, and we'll see you next time.